Hey there, future renters. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in real estate tech for 2025. Today, we're diving into how to rent a house on Zillow, the go-to platform that's gotten even smarter with AI-powered features. Whether you're a first-timer or upgrading your space, this guide will have you navigating Zillow like a pro in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to set up your Zillow account. Head to the Zillow website or app and sign up if you haven't already. In 2025, Zillow's got enhanced security with biometric logins, so use your fingerprint or Face ID for a seamless experience. Once you're logged in, it's time to search. Use the advanced search bar to enter your location, like New York City, and specify what you're after. Think budget, number of bedrooms, or even pet-friendly options. Next, Zillow's 2025 updates include smart filters powered by AI. You can filter by commute time, school ratings, or even environmental factors like energy-efficient homes. This saves you hours of scrolling. Once you find a listing that catches your eye, dive into the details. Check out high-res photos, 360-degree virtual tours, and read reviews from previous renters. Pro tip: look for the new Sustainability Score feature, which rates homes on eco-friendliness, a big plus in 2025's green world. Now, to make it official, contact the landlord or agent directly through Zillow's messaging system. It's super secure and includes video chat options for virtual meetings. If you're ready, schedule a tour. Many listings now offer AR walkthroughs right from your phone. Finally, when you find the perfect place, submit your rental application online. Zillow's integrated tools will handle background checks and credit reports faster than ever. Renting in 2025 is all about convenience and smart choices. Always double-check lease terms and consider consulting a real estate advisor. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. What's your biggest rental challenge? Drop it in the comments below. See you next time.